Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, ScooterATVSales.com. So I wanted to show you part of the Pro Series from BMS dirt bike lineup. This is the BMS Premium 125 Pro Series. So this is part of their top of the line. They start with the Pro 110 and the Pro X 125. This is the BMS Premium Pro or BMS Pro Premium 125. It has a 30-inch seat height. Now again, BMS put these out as a competitive style dirt bike. I still recommend you riding these easy, although they are listed as competitive, but it's an intermediate beginner's competitive bike, as I call it. So I'm going to show you an up-close look at the quality and the different parts on this bike. Again, it's a 30-inch seat height. So we'll start here in the back area here. It has nice colored rims here in the back. Walk around here, disc brakes as well. It has the 12-inch wheels in the back. Nice colored chain. I like that exhaust note on there. Nice performance exhaust note. Cool graphics all the way around as well. Really impressed with the graphics because a lot of the Chinese bikes, graphics are not done very well on the bikes. Now check out that rear mono shock in the back here. It does have adjustment on it. It's an air shock as well as shown here. Again, nice note on that exhaust pipe muffler. Again, it's a kick start with a push button kill. Solid swing arm here. Good quality, good welds on the bike. This is your kick start on this side here. This is for your rear brake. Of course, you got your foot pegs, hydraulic brakes all the way around. Now we're going to work our way towards the front area here. You can see colored rims here in the front as well. Nice knobby tires all the way around. These are the 14-inch wheel here in the front. Again, nice graphics, BMS badge here as well. Nice decals all over. You got your disc brakes here in the front. BMS decal here and badge. Also on the seat area right here. It's pretty nice here. Two-stage air filter, really important. Your manual choke on this side. My finger's located. You got your fuel shut-off here. This is all on the left side of the bike right now. It's a 125cc BMS Premium 4-stroke kickstart. Great beginner, intermediate, competitive style bike. We got a nice padded handlebar over here. It says BMS. It does have breakaways on it as well, which is really cool with your screw adjustment. This is for your clutch handle. This is for your brake handle here on this side with an adjustment here as well. Of course, your twist throttle here on this side. Gas cap here. Again, it's a hard plastic gas cap. Now this is your shut off right here. So it is kickstart. There's no key ignition. So it's just strictly kickstart and kill. We'll shut it off right now. Now that kills it. And that's the way you would stop the dirt bike. Again, this is by BMS. This is part of their Pro Series of bikes. I'll place a link below so you guys can check out their series of dirt bikes. Good quality, definitely nice quality. This is definitely a nice intermediate beginner's bike. Huge value as well. So we're going to give this a little test ride here. We got Adam here today. He got his helmet on for safety. He's going to kick start it, and it's a 4-speed manual transmission. Now this one is what, 1 down, 3 up?
Yes.
This particular bike is 1 down, 3 up. So he's just going to give a short demo so you guys can see it run. Go ahead.
I killed it.
All right. He's going to give it another start. Again, the neutral position from the down up, it's very short. All right, he's finding that, looking for that. Again, if you're looking for a quality bike at a great price, BMS series of dirt bikes, very, very good quality for the money. All right, he's going to give it another kick start. He found his neutral position.
Nope, wasn't neutral.
Again, it's very, very short.
Making sure.
All right, give it a go. There you go. Now he's not going to race it around. We just want you guys to see it run a little bit, though. He's just going to take it really easy. Go ahead. Yeah, it sounds good. Again, Adam's 6'4". He's too large for this bike, but just for a short run. As you can see, it runs real nice. It has a great muffler sound, great exhaust note, 4-stroke, kick start. It's going to turn back around and then stop here in front of me. So yeah, if you guys are looking for a bike, I'm going to place a link below so you guys can check out more details on this bike. Again, it's by BMS Motorsports. They are the distributor and manufacturer of dune buggies, side-by-sides, scooters, as well as they have a dirt bike series. So they're part of that Pro series of dirt bikes. This is the BMS Pro Premium 125 4-stroke kickstart competitive style intermediate beginners dirt bike with a 30-inch seat height. Hope you guys are well, and we'll see you soon.